maths related things. It is all we have studied. So one question is there for the university exam. Explain for or five or some mathematical notations and the functions. So simplest among those, I have taken, and I will be explaining in this chapter. So the first one will be the floor and ceiling function. Second is a remainder function, which we have already seen. How to find the remainder? When you divide, you will be getting you will be dividing and finding the two things. One is quotient, the other one will be the remainder. So this is very easy. So what is a modular arithmetic? Mode of a number is nothing but the remainder what we get. And the third, so I'll just explain what is that remainder function. And the third one will be the integer function and the absolute value function. Integer function is nothing but converting a real number which is having the integer part and the fractional part into an integer number. That is, you will be rounding off to the nearest integer. Absolute value is nothing but removing the sign of the number. So if it is a negative number, you will just ignore the negative number. Then using the summation function is the sigma function. That notation, I just explained. And permutation function also, just like our finding all the combination of possible using a set of numbers. That is coming under permutation. And then we will be having factorial function also. So exponent and logarithm I just removed. So the exponents, you know what is exponent, x squared, and logarithm also. Like if you are mostly in all the question paper they had asked only 4 or 5. So I am reducing as much as possible. So that much mathematical functions we'll be learning in this chapter. So the first one is I have kept is the mode function. Suppose we are going to find the mode of a number, or if you divide, this division and finding the remainder we have done in the previous or first semester. So if you are finding 27 mode 7, 27 mode 7, how you will find 27 mode 7? You will just divide 27 by 7. How many times it will go? 3 times, right? So you will be getting 7 3s are 21. And when you subtract, you will be getting 6. You cannot further divide by 7. So what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 6 and the quotient will be 3. So what is 27 mod 7? You will be writing 27 mod 7 as 6. The remainder 6. So when you find the mode operation, you will be getting or with the mode operation, you will be getting the remainder. If you perform division, you will be writing the quotient, while when you are finding the mode, you will be getting the remainder. This I have taken many times. So just to show the mode operation, I am repeating it again. Again gone, no? Connection. Again, it is getting, voice is breaking, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyway, today you just adjust. Tomorrow I'll find some other place. I'm in native, that's why I think. Here it is raining. Okay, so
Yes, come on.
Okay, so when you find the mode, you will be getting the remainder. Now, the next thing which you have to understand is how to get back the number 27 from this remainder and the divisor. So from this division operation, you know that 3 is a quotient and 6 is the remainder. So if you multiply the divisor into the quotient plus the remainder, you will get the number 27. 7 into 3, 7 3s are 21, plus 6 will be giving you the number 27. So after finding the mode value, if you want to check whether it is correct, what you will be doing? You will be multiplying the divisor with the quotient plus the remainder. So if you are getting the number 27 back, then your remainder or whatever mode operation you have done is correct, right? So you can replace those numbers now. So the number with which we are finding the mode, that number is indicated as M, right? 27 mode 7, right? So we are replacing it as M. And then if you multiply it with the quotient plus the remainder, you will be getting the number 27. So we are just replacing those numbers with the corresponding short forms of mode number into quotient plus remainder will give back the number 27. So in order to explain the remainder function, which is a modular, which is also known as modular arithmetic, let k and m be the positive integers, then k mod m denotes the remainder. What is k mod m? In this example, we have told 27 mod 7 will give you the remainder 6, right? So k mod m denotes the remainder when k is divided by m. When you divide k by m, whatever remainder you are getting, that is given by k mod m. So how to get back the value, the positive value k? You have to multiply the mode value into quotient plus the remainder. So k equal to mq plus r, where q is the quotient, r is the remainder, while dividing k by m. So this is what we have many times executed in the last semester in order to find the sum of the digits. That program also we have done in finding the mode, and many programs to find the reverse of a numbers of a digit, reverse digits of a number. All these we have executed using the modular arithmetic. So here one more example I have given is 35 mod 6. Again, you have what you have to do, 35 is divided by 6 and you will be getting the remainder as 5. In order to check whether the remainder is correct, you have to multiply the mode number. Which is the mode number here? Mode is 6, right? 6 into 5. 5 is the quotient plus the remainder. So you'll be getting back 35. So if you take another example, 25 mod 5, 25 is completely divisible by 5. So I need not show it, right? You know how to divide and find the remainder. 25, if you divide by 5, what will be how many times it will go? 5 5s are 25. So you'll be writing 25. Those who don't know to find mode, you can write it. So the remainder will be 0, right? Again, in order to check whether the remainder is correct, what you have to do, the mode number, which is our mode number 5, right? 5 into, what is the second thing? You have to multiply it with the quotient. What is the quotient here? Quotient is 5. So 5 into 5 plus 0, that is 25. So next one, no? What is mode 3 mode 5? How to find 3 mode 5? So Shankar, can you tell me how to find 3 mode 5? So Shankar.
Yes, ma'am.
How to find 3 mode 5?
3 mod 5.
3 divided by 5. Always
5.
you should know how to write in this form at least. Some of you will be writing 3 over here and 5 inside. So it is 3 mod 5 means 3 is divided by 5. Okay. And then you are finding the remainder. How many times 5 will go in 3? Answer first. How many times 5 will go in 3? Will it go?
No, ma'am.
How many times it will go?
It won't go, ma'am. We should
Won't
take
go
decimal
means
point
it is
0. We should add
0. Then what will be the remainder? What will be the remainder?
3.
So what will be the what is 3
3.
mod 5? 3. Now how to check whether it is correct? How to check whether it is correct? Fast. What is
3 in
M
3 into 0.
plus R? What is MQ plus R here?
M is 5, ma'am, and 3 is 0 is quotient and 3 is remainder.
Okay. So 5 into 3 is 5 into 0 is
0 plus 3.
Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So you got 3. Understood. Now the next thing is arithmetic modulus. So in order to understand what is arithmetic modulus, Arithmetic modulus M refers to the arithmetic operation of addition, multiplication, and subtraction, where the result is replaced by its equivalent value in a set. So you can find arithmetic modulus of any number. Suppose I am taking the arithmetic modulus with 5. If I am going to find the arithmetic modulus with 5, I have to define the set of values for the arithmetic modulus 5 as starting from 0, and you have to define the set as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But for arithmetic modulus of 5, we have to define the set of value. You can find arithmetic modulus for any number. Suppose I am going to find the arithmetic modulus of 6. I have to define the set of values which are possible for arithmetic modulus of 6. Understood? So what are the possible values? Starting from 0, for 6, it will come it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 5, I'll be going only up to 4. That is, if arithmetic modulus, if you are going to find for a number m, the set of values for the which are possible for the arithmetic modulus of m will be starting from 0 to m minus 1. Is it clear? Arithmetic modulus for a number m is the set of values. You have to find or you will be bringing down the numbers among the set of values which are starting from 0 to m minus 1. So if you see the example, you will understand. Actually, arithmetic modulus can be performed on any of the arithmetic operation like addition, multiplication, and subtraction, where the result, you will be getting a result for addition, you will be getting a result for multiplication, and you will be getting a result for subtraction, right? All these results are replaced by its equivalent value in the set. So I'll just explain with an example. After that, it will be clear for you. Suppose I want to find the addition operation of 3 plus 5. What is 3 plus 5? Why ma'am has written 3 over here, right? Yeah, I'll explain what is this 3 plus 5 in how it is giving the answer as 3 in arithmetic modulus. When you add 3 plus 5, you will be getting what? You will be getting 8, right? Listen here. After getting 8, you will be, suppose I am finding the arithmetic modulus with the number 5. You will be finding mod with the 5. Result, whatever you are getting, will be taken for mod with 5. So what is the result you are getting when you add 3 plus 5? You will be getting 8. After that, you are finding, suppose if you are finding arithmetic modulus with 5, what you have to do? After finding the result, you will find the mod with 5. What is 8 mod 5? What is 8 mod 5? Tejas, can you tell me what is 8 mod 5? 8 mod 5 means a remainder. When you divide 8 by 3, 8 when you divide by 5, how many times it will go? One time it will go, and you will be subtracting and you will be getting the remainder as 3, right? So this is how we are getting 3 when you add 3 plus 5. Actual answer is 8, but you will be replacing the result with the after finding mod with that particular number. So when you find mod with that particular number, the result will be replaced by a set of values which are given starting from 0 to m minus 1. So you will be bringing that number within the range of 0 to m minus 1. Whatever be the result, even if you get a bigger number also, you will be ultimately getting a value which is in the range of 0 to m minus 1, where m is the number for which you are finding the arithmetic modulus. So, so we will do one example. So tell me, what is 4 multiplied by 5? What is 4 multiplied? What will be the answer for 4 into 5 when we find the arithmetic modulus with the m? When you find arithmetic modulus with the m. Janani?
0, ma'am.
0. So can you explain how you got?
Yeah, ma'am. 5 4s are 20. 20 mod 5 is 0, ma'am.
So the remainder will be 0. So whatever big number you are getting, so here what happened, 4 multiplied by 20 will be getting 20. The result, you will be finding mode with 5. So when you find mode with 5, 20 is completely divisible by 5 and the remainder is 0. Got it? So when you find the arithmetic modulus, 4 multiplied by 5, you'll be getting the answer as 0. So this way, you can perform it for multiplication and even for subtraction. The ultimate aim is to bring back the result to the values ranging from 0 to m minus 1, where m is the value for which we are finding the arithmetic modulus. So the next thing is, if you are finding the arithmetic modulus with a 12, if you are finding the arithmetic modulus with 12, it is also known as clock arithmetic. You know that in clock we have only up to 12. So it is also known as the arithmetic modulus with the 12 is also known as clock arithmetic. So what are the set of values for arithmetic modulus 12? What are the set of values for the arithmetic modulus 12? Sai Kiran, can you tell me? Sai Kiran. What will be the set of values for arithmetic modulus with 12? Sai Kiran, are you there?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
What are the possible or the set of values for the arithmetic modulus with 12? Set of values I had shown with a curly bracket, right? What are the set of values for finding arithmetic modulus with 12? Huh?
0 to 11, ma'am.
0 to 11. So you will be finding the arithmetic modulus with 12, so that you will be getting a value which is within the range from 0 to 11. So again, when you find, you can perform either multiplication, division, no, not division. Division is not possible. Multiplication, subtraction, or addition. Okay. So here also you can show with the example.